So Cindy and I did it. We joined the drone world. We bought a drone when we thought we were going to Fiji, and then COVID happened, and we're staying here in New Zealand for a while. But that's okay, because there's plenty of beautiful sights in New Zealand, as I hope we'll show you in the next few weeks and months on toatsea.com. It's been an interesting adventure. In some ways, it makes me feel like an 8-year-old again. It's just so exciting, and in other ways, it just absolutely terrifies me. I guess I'm afraid of losing it. I'm afraid of crashing it, and unreasonably so. So it's been a kind of a slow, steep learning curve, but we only have about 10 hours of flying in so far. This is a video from a few days ago at Waiheke Island in New Zealand in the Auckland area, and those are our friends on D'Urville anchored in the same bay with us. This was flying around the stationary boat, obviously, and we finally worked up the courage to launch the drone from Legacy underway. Getting it launched took a couple of tries, but we finally got it in the air, and it was really fun to see Legacy from up above. It would have been nice to be under sail, but that's an advanced technique for a later time. For now, we were just content with motoring around the boat while the boat motored around. Now, the retrieving part was a totally different issue. We'd had all kinds of strategies, we watched videos about how to do it, but it turns out we really weren't prepared. And we have retrieved the drone from the boat before, but just not while we were underway. Cindy's our catcher, I fly it into her hands, and everything went well, until the boat was moving, that is. We tried it with Cindy on the bow, but there's a lot of obstructions, and it was very difficult to find a clear space to fly it into Cindy's hands. She stood up there, I tried to pace the boat, I lowered the drone, and that's what happened. Fortunately, the drone lived to fly another day. This is Brown's Island on the way back into Auckland, and no, it's not computer generated. It really looks that way. It's just stunning, and from the air it was incredibly beautiful. We flew around the caldera, we flew around the island. I got lost, couldn't find my way back, found our way back, and all is well, and hopefully we'll have a lot more drone videos coming in the near future, including one of Brown Island with some more detail. And with a little luck, maybe no more crash videos. Cross my fingers. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoy the upcoming drone videos.